What is up, guys? I'll be showing you how to replace your rear turn signal on your 2019 through 2021 Acura RDX. You want to remove the plastic cover. There's going to be two screws, one at the top and one down at the bottom. Your tail light itself has two pins. One is around right here and one towards the end. You want to be careful with those to not break those. I was able to just pull from back here. There you go. Just be careful still. It has three sliding tabs. So it's just to get the tail light out, to kind of swing it out a little bit. And like I said, the pins that are holding the light in, it's generally in this area, if I remember, right here and back here. So how I did it, I pulled it out away from the car and that got it out. Let me just disconnect the wires so I could show you. For the light bulb, you're gonna go ahead and turn counterclockwise. It has another connection right here. You want to undo that. It's disconnected, so now you're able to more freely replace your bulb. For this, you just push down, turn counterclockwise, and it comes out. It has two notches down at the bottom that you want to match up correctly down here on these notches, and that's how your light bulb goes in. And for reference, on the tail light assembly, the two pins, you want to be careful with that. You don't want to break these. And up here, connected that connection and put the light bulb back in. And now I just gotta match up the pins to where they're supposed to go. You want to push it until you hear the pin go in. Done. And now you just put back your screws. Don't over tighten. Good. So now you get your cover back and just match it up to the notches right there. So yeah, that's how you replace it. Let's just give it a little test. Done.